Hi, welcome to another episode of Science Made Simple. I'm Firhad and I'm a science specialist here at the Pique Lab. In this video, I'll be analysing a past year examination question from the topic of physical quantities, SI units, and measurements. I've placed the question in a handout and you may download it for free by clicking on the link in the description box below. So let's begin.
Question 5. Assuming each square in the grid below measures 1 cm by 1 cm, which of the following gives the best estimation of the area of the irregular shape? For calculations of areas involving regular shapes, we are familiar with using formulas to find the area of the regular shapes like rectangles or circles. So in cases where the object has an irregular shape, it might not be possible for us to use formula. So what do we do in such cases? We can trace the outline of the object on a graph paper or any paper with grid boxes like shown in the diagram. Once we have traced out the outline of the irregular shaped object, the first step is to count the number of boxes where the object has occupied more than half of the area of the grid box. Let's take a look at the first row. Are there any boxes where the object has occupied more than half of the area? No. So do I need to count any of the boxes in the first row? No. Let's take a look at the second row now. Do I count this box here? Yes, the object has occupied more than half of the area of the grid box. Some students tick the box that is counted, but I recommend that you write in a number in ascending order on the boxes instead of ticking, since we might lose count and have to restart all over again if you tick. You can pause the video here to continue your count. How many boxes did you count where the object has occupied more than half of the grid box? You should have counted 24 boxes. Now, can I take this half box over here and this half box over here and combine them to form one full box? As tempting as this is, the answer is no. This is in fact a common error made by many students. We cannot count any boxes where the area is only less than half filled. The next step is to find the area of each box. Now check the dimensions given in the question. It's 1 cm by 1 cm. So what's the area of each square? It is 1 cm square. So the last step is just multiplying the number of boxes where the object has occupied more than half of the area by the area of each box, which is 1 cm square, giving us the estimated area of this figure as 24 cm square, which is option 2. Another common error made by many students is students did not check the area of each grid box. We cannot always assume that it's going to be 1 cm square. So some questions try to trick students by giving boxes with different dimensions. So if I were to change this question now, where the grid boxes are now 2 cm by 2 cm each, what will be the estimated area of the figure? Since the area of each box becomes 4 cm square, the answer will change to 24 boxes which I counted, multiplied by 4 cm square, which will be 96 cm square. So in summary, count the boxes which are only more than half occupied, and always check the dimensions of each box whenever you do such questions.
Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video useful, do give us a thumbs up. If you want to check out the other videos, click on the link on the right hand side. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you, and I see you next time. Bye!